modern kitchen is a sleek, efficient space designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. It typically features clean lines, minimalist design, and the use of high-quality materials such as stainless steel, glass, and stone. Modern kitchens often incorporate open shelving, handleless cabinets, and smart appliances to maximize space and convenience. Neutral color palettes, such as whites, grays, and blacks, dominate, often accented by bold, contrasting elements. Lighting is key, with a mix of natural light, recessed lighting, and stylish fixtures to create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay awesome.